Alrighty, so welcome back, guys. So this is the final of the Ford Bronco I have been working on for months now, but I gotta say it is totally well worth it. So before we begin, this is the Bronco that Revell has came out with a couple years ago. This is the original Bronco kit, not the Baja one, the blue one on the box. You know what I mean. So there's that. And to make this build to look like this, help from N.Y.S Brothers, they actually provide parts for the Bronco kit, or kits I should say, so you can do the Baja Bronco also. It's basically a kit, just a little bit different. But to pick the Baja Bronco will be easier if you guys want to do something simpler, because the Baja Bronco kit, the fenders are already pre-cut for you, or they're they're wider than this kit. But I want to do this one because I had two of these kits and I did not want two stock Broncos, so that's one reason why I did this kit. So what's from N.Y.S Brothers? The doors from N.Y.S Brothers, the hood, the back and rear bumper, or the rear and front bumper, and that's and the over fenders. Those are from N.Y.S Brothers, but that's pretty much it. They do make a lot more stuff. They make a bumper with a winch on it. They make different hoods and all kinds of stuff. So I'll put a link to their eBay store down below. Go check them out. They're pretty reasonable priced, and they fit. Their parts fit good. I gotta say, they fit spot on. But other than that, that's what's from N.Y.S Brothers. So let's get right onto it. So the body color is, well, I was gonna go with Tamiya silver, like this kind of silver. You can see it, but that didn't work out too well. I don't know. It didn't look right. So I was like, okay. So I painted in darker silver or gray, metallic gray by Tamiya. So it looked a little better. I put a little dab of black in here just to darken it up a little bit more, but that looks good. And yeah, it looks pretty good. I put a matte coat on it. I didn't want. This doesn't look good gloss, so I put a matte finish on it from Testers. So there's that. I did replace the spare wheel, as many of you guys may know, because I went with these big hunky tires, and the spare wheel came with a kit. It's too small, so I had this gas tank or gas can laying around in my parts bin for a while. So I was like, well, let's put that on there, replace the wheel. I did add some chain on the front bumper, just give it a little character, so that's pretty cool. The interior is just a bunch of different colors. The seats are actually gloss black. They glossed them. So is the steering wheel and the steering wheel column. The bottom part of the dash is body color, and the upper is flat black. Just gonna break it up a little bit. The floor for the front seats are flocked, and the back pan back here is aluminum. And I did add a little fire extinguisher between the seats, just to give it, because I had that one whole touch in the parts bin. I was like, well, I'll give it more detail. The tires actually are from different kits. I actually built this kit a long time ago, and I didn't like it, so I popped the wheels off it and put it on here, and this looks amazing. So they're from the Jeep, the Revell Jeep kit. It's a curbside kit, so that's what they're from, and they look amazing on this thing. They fit perfect on this wheel wells. Pretty neat. So there's that. That's pretty much about the outside. The front bumper and the rear bumper, both bumpers, they fit on right around the chassis. You just snug the chassis and they stay. That's pretty neat. I like how they go on. And the spear, or this part does swivel, so you can get to the back trunk. Like I said, I did add a Texas license plate just to give it, it was like a Texas vehicle, so give it that. And I did add a bigger exhaust tips. I didn't know if you noticed that, but the exhaust tips the exhaust was good, but I want a little bit bigger tips on it because this thing's mean. Yeah, make it look meaner if you're gonna do some big exhaust. So you'll see that one coming around. But that's pretty much about it for the outside. And yeah, so and there's the exhaust tips I'm talking about. See, I put a little tube at the end, just give them a little character and put a little black wash inside of them, and that looks pretty neat. So the engine bay is pretty neat. I did wire the engine. The engine is Ford engine blue, and that's pretty cool. Nice engine, this kit, I gotta admit, very nice. I did red wires just kind of break up the blue and stuff. I was thinking doing blue wires, but that would be a little bit too much blue, so did red just to break it up a little bit. And there's that. The chassis went together very well. I know I'll lift it up because parts will fall off it, but I'll put some pictures on the screen for you. But the chassis went together like a breeze. No issues there. No fitment issues. I did not raise this. Just in case you guys are wondering, I did not raise it. It is stock height. Just the wheels and tires make it look higher. So I did nothing to the chassis. It's all stock. So yeah, it's not raised. It's not raised or nothing. Did nothing. Just the wheels doing it all for me. But that is my Ford Bronco upgraded version, I'm calling it, and I gotta say this thing is amazing. So I really do recommend this kit, obviously, and if you want to go extreme like I did, get those buzzers, especially these doors. These doors are amazing fit. So it'll take you a bit of time, like it took me about time, but you gotta do some cutting, shaving, sanding and filling, more sanding, more shaving. You're gonna be at it for a while, but at the end, it's totally worth it. But other than that, guys, I think that will wrap up this build. Get us off my bench, about time, and look good on my spray case. I got a nice big spray case for this because this thing deserves it. So that's gonna look good. But other than that, guys, until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.